All right, guys, this is a review of the Sam Show portable electric kettle. So what this is basically is you can heat water up to 212 degrees where it is boiling. So you can go anywhere from like what's the lowest temp? It says like you have three options. You have 120, 160, 195, or 212, and those are preset. So basically all you do is you select the temperature you're going to use, and then it just automatically boils it. It shows you the fill line, not to fill it past, which I can show you in here. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but there is yeah, you can see it shows like max fill line. So it shows you like not to fill it too much. Here's what I can tell you before we turn it on. Well, you can see I already pre-boiled it, so it is steamy, but I'm gonna help you hear how boily it actually is. This is a very well insulated, well-made product. Like it actually feels very sturdy. And I'm gonna essentially show you the practicality of this in a second. But first we're gonna do the boil just to show you that it does do that. So right here is where we determine the temperatures. That's 120, that's 160, that's 195, and this is 212. Those are the presets. All you do is just stop on the one that you want to use, and it's going. And you can hear, I don't know if you can hear with the microphone, it's boiling already because I already set it to pre-boil. But I wanted to prove that it does work, it does turn on, and it's actually boiling just like a kettle, the same way a kettle sounds and feels. So that's how easy it is to use. All you do is you have this cord, right? When you need to use it to heat it up, all you do is just plug that in and plug it into the wall. When you don't need it anymore, you just put the rubber stop on top of it. So it becomes just a very well insulated mug that is gonna last you. I mean, this thing is tough and it seals. So this is gonna keep, this is like a thermos that's gonna keep stuff as hot as you want it for a very long time. You could easily do tea, coffee, anything hot. So you could even do like soup or something like that. Anytime you need to heat it up, I mean, if you're on a train, you could actually plug it into an outlet and heat it up on the train. You could actually have this kettle with you where you just like randomly are like, okay, I need to boil something, and you can just boil it on the spot. I think this is a super versatile, super easy to use product. You know, things are getting better where we can keep temperatures hot. I thought this was just kind of a cool little thing that I didn't expect to like as much as I did. As far as like drinking, all you do is just pop that up and you sip out of that lid. When you do boil, you also have the steam vents, so it's not trapping everything in there. It is kind of letting it out, so it's not gonna like pressure up or anything like that. But I thought this is a cool little product, and it's very well made. There's no burning your hands, even though I just boiled it. It feels just warm, that's it. So super safe, super easy to use, and it's gonna keep water or drinks, coffee, tea, hot all day long.